Hi, my name is Vincent Guesdon, and today we're going to talk about value creation through digital. I'd say speed with control. In the race for value creation, being a step ahead of competition is key, and this is what digital brings, actually. So companies want to move fast into digital and they want speed, but at the same time, they have to find the right balance to mitigate the risks associated with the digital transition. And this is where we can help. You're right. Digital, this is definitely a must today, not an option. This is at the heart of any company's strategy. It impacts all employees. It impacts the whole value chain. By the way, recent survey and studies show that digital transformation is still one of the top priorities of CEOs, alongside hiring new talents and sustainable growth, which are also closely related to digital transformation. Support for sure, at every step and with trust. We're a network and digital services integrator. This double positioning makes us unique and relevant in the market, and it allows us to support our customers with concrete solutions across every step of their digital transformation, and this everywhere in the world. We're preparing the future today by helping our customers create positive impact for themselves and for their ecosystem. Digital has to be useful, reliable, and sustainable. This is really at the heart of what we do, what we believe in, and this is the heart of our strategy.
Orange Business.